Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to follow playlist in Spotify. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open Spotify application, then get logged into your account. Here you can see recently played and all other option. You can choose any option as I am going with the Delhi Mix 1. Here you can see the playlist of Delhi Mix 1, all the songs inside it. Now I like this playlist. I want to have a easy access to this playlist every time I open Spotify. So for that you need to tap on the heart icon. Now it will be added to your library. To check, you tap on the library option. Here you can see the playlist I have just followed or I have just liked it. Now you will have easy access to that playlist. This is how you can follow playlist in Spotify. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to follow playlist in Spotify. Thank you.